In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can loop your audio in KineMaster. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, the first thing you need to do, if you want your audio to play again and again, once it gets to the end, to restart again, go ahead and select or tap on your audio like that. And once you do so, you will see we have this window that will pop up. From here, go ahead and scroll down until you see this loop option that is available. Now go ahead and tap on loop and you will have turned your loop on. If you want your loop to end at a specific place, you can also go ahead and tap on that to end it. Alternatively, if you want your loop to end manually, then go ahead and toggle off this. To end the loop or to turn it off, just simply toggle this off and you'll have ended the loop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.